5 wheatgrass juice recipes to try. Due to its extraordinary advantages, wheatgrass has long been referred to as a superfood. Despite its name, it's also gluten-free. Young grass derived from wheat plant seeds, wheatgrass is harvested when it is still green and at its peak nutritious value. Each shot of wheatgrass juice is nutrient-rich. They have significant vitamin, antioxidant, and fiber contents that promote better overall health. It makes sense that it has appeared in the majority of juice bars in recent years. Growing wheatgrass and making juice from it are just so much fun, simple, and affordable to accomplish. Simply juice some recently harvested wheatgrass and consume it as shots. We do, however, have some delightful recipes to make it so nice and delicious if you feel it's too powerful or overwhelming. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 amazing wheatgrass juice recipes that you need to try. Recipe 1. The Power Punch Shots. Taking wheatgrass as a shot on an empty stomach is the best method to absorb its nutrients. When you first start doing this, go slowly because you can have a detox effect. Every other day, take 1 shot and then gradually include it into your everyday routine. Method. Wheatgrass should be harvested, rinsed in a salad spinner and dried. Place it in a cold-pressed juicer. If the pulp causes a jam, either manually remove it or add a little water to let it go more smoothly. You can juice a large quantity, store it in the refrigerator, or use an ice cube machine to freeze them. You can also use a blender, then filter the pulp out of the liquid using cheesecloth or coffee filter. Recipe 2. The Sunshine Smoothies. Bananas are a healthy breakfast option that keep you satisfied. Method. Combine an orange, some berries, and a banana in a cold-pressed juicer. Then blend in some coconut milk, almond milk, or yogurt beverage. You may start your day off with a tasty sunshine smoothie by pouring the juice into a glass and topping it with a shot of wheatgrass juice. The wheatgrass juice should be sipped quickly, while the sweet and sour smoothies should be enjoyed gradually. Are you finding this video valuable so far? Then consider hitting the like button as that really helps the growth of our channel. Recipe 3. The Yogurt Berry Wheat Smoothies. You won't even notice the wheatgrass in the smoothies because they are so thick and creamy. Method. Lightly frozen berries, almond milk or yogurt, and the shot of wheatgrass should be combined using the smoothie strainer in the cold-pressed juicer until the mixture is thick and creamy in consistency. Recipe 4. The Hawaiian Sorbet. The ideal beverage to sip on during a hot, sunny day. Method. Mix slightly thawed pineapple and mango with wheatgrass juice in the cold-pressed juicer's smoothie strainer. Recipe 5. The Mimosa Mocktail. When you want a carbonated soft drink, this is a better option for you. Method. Oranges should be juiced whole in a cold-pressed juicer. Combine orange juice and sparkling water, then pour the mixture into a glass. Over the mixture, pour the shot of wheatgrass juice. You'll have a lovely layering of colors and the ideal non-alcoholic mimosa mocktail to start the day off right. Drink the wheatgrass juice at the top as quickly as possible and then leisurely savor the sweet and tart sparkling liquid at the bottom. Alternatively, you can give the mixture a gentle stir while sipping your beverage slowly. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.